What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos Education and News channel. My name is T Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Listen up, guys. It has been a crazy year, or should I say a crazy month. The shortest day of the month, and the SEC wasted no time coming into crypto and laying the smackdown. Today, we're going to go over this story because it gives us a brief overview of what the SEC has done in regards to tightening down on crypto. Just so you're kind of updated on, I guess, the last 28 days. Justin, take us away.
Yeah. All right. So crypto versus the SEC, the crackdown game in February of 2023. Man, that rhymed. I'm like a rapper. Let's go. So the SEC has long been eyeing the cryptocurrency realm and has tried to establish control over the industry. And this sentiment is very evident from the prolonged Ripple versus SEC case that emerged in 2020. But the scrutiny has doubled ever since the fall of FTX, especially in this current month that we're about to close, February 2023. The commission hasn't spared, I like it called the commission. The commission hasn't spared exchanges or celebrities for their action. So let's look at them one by one, shall we? So Kraken versus the SEC, cracking down on crypto. After allegations from the SEC about, or SEC, I feel like that was a college, but anyway, about the sale of unregistered securities, well-known cryptocurrency exchange Kraken decided to end its staking operations with retail investors. They also had to pay a $30 million fine as well in the settlement. Not only has the SEC's decision enraged the crypto community, but also investors and politicians. The majority of the pressure was also placed on the chair, Gary Gensler. Next, we have Terraforma Labs and our favorite scammer next to SBF, Do Kwon. The CEO and founder of Terra has officially been charged with fraud by the SEC. Better late than never is the term, because man, Terra Luna happened ages ago, especially for crypto, and y'all know how fast crypto moves. But according to its statement, the regulator claimed that Terraform created a multi-billion-dollar crypto asset securities fraud, and the declaration further claims that Kwon and Terraform Labs misled investors when advertising the Luna coin. Next, the man himself, the truth, Paul Pierce. Well, he might be the false for this one. The commission, I'm thinking this is basketball. The commission had announced charges against Paul Pierce, a former NBA player, for Ethereum Max promotion, and I'm pretty sure that they put the hammer down on Kim K for this as well. The charges were also based on failing to disclose the fact it was a promotion or a sponsor, which I think is stupid, but okay. Pierce was also charged with making false, and misleading statements about EMAX tokens. These are just a few of the notable scrutinies by the commission aimed at protecting investors against scams and frauds. However, all the actions of the commission were not welcomed by the cryptocurrency community. I swear, I'm calling the SEC the commission from now on. That is great. But anyway, Hobbs, what do you think about these three big cases?
I mean, the Kraken shut down, Terraformer, Do Kwon on the run, and Paul Pierce being a liar, the truth being called a lie. I mean, you can't make this up in 28 days, man, right? Like, the thing is this is only the beginning, is what I would take away from this. Is, as you can see, we've been in crypto since 2010, 2009. We've never seen the SEC this interested. It's a good and a bad thing. It's a good and a bad problem to have. The bad part about it is we got to go through all these bad actors. The SEC is going to be poking its nose around, and it might get some things right, it might get some things wrong. The good thing is that means that if the SEC is here, it's most likely cleaning up the space in order to clearly see which direction we need to go for regulation. So I welcome these stories. It's a crappy month of February for the bad news of crypto. But on a brighter side, we read a story today, 20% of Americans in the country today hold BTC or Ethereum. So obviously the attention that we're getting is slowly, whether it be bad or good, it's slowly increasing that adoption. And that's ultimately what we want. And people like this, they got to get slapped on the wrist so they can actually write that down in the rule books of things not to do, right? So what are your thoughts, Jay?
You know, I'm a little upset that you took it to the good, because this story is all about the bad. Now I'm keeping it with the bad. Look. First off, I'm not happy with a few of what the SEC has done. Right, I'm not happy with the commission. I'm gonna tell you why. First off, it's too late to be going after Duquan. The man is gone. You should have gone after him when you had a shot. Paul Pierce. I don't like the fact that you're going after Paul Pierce, for the simple fact that if any celebrity wants to endorse anything, it should just be known that they got paid for it. Let's be honest.
You should know that.
Do this for free. If you got tricked into thinking that Paul Pierce and whoever else didn't get paid, that's your fault. Now, the staking thing is a little bit different. I actually do somewhat agree with the staking. The only thing I don't necessarily agree with is I don't agree with the fine. Here's why I don't agree with the fine. I think that you have to put the parameters out there first and then allow for companies to break those rules before you fine them, right? There's nothing against staking right now. There's no law against staking. So to fine a company because they're doing staking when there's no rule in place for that, to me is unfair. I don't think they should have done that. I think they should have set the precedents, and then after that, then you can go after the companies. It just feels like a money grab. At the end of the day, if I get scammed out of my money and then you get money from the company, are you going to give me a portion of the money that you got from the company? No, commission. You're not going to. So I would just like rules to be set and then allow for companies to break them. But other than that, I mean, I'm pretty much cool what the commission is doing. Besides that, go commission.
Oh man, you did take it a different route, and that's okay, because that's why we have these conversations. But here's the thing: you guys let us know what you think in the comments down below,
matters,
right? Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Helps us get it pushed up in the old algorithm. And I think this is a really interesting story that we can kind of go back and forth with you guys in the comments about. So let us know what you think down in the comments down below. But my name is T Hobbs. That guy above is Jay Seals. We will catch you guys on the next episode of ClearCryptos Education. Peace.